Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll teach you how to fix your League of Legends client not starting. So first what you're going to do, you're going to go into Task, Manager, and you're going to search for League of Legends. So press L for League of Legends. Nothing pops up. Then you have to press R for Riot Games. You have Riot Client here. We want to cancel that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go into your folders and you're going to go to where your Riot Games is. Riot Games right here. And you're going to go to League of Legends. You're going to scroll all the way down to League Client. Right click that, press properties, and then you're going to go to compatibility. And now if this says deactivate full screen optimization, it has to be on. You have to deactivate this or else it won't work. That's the first bit you got to do. Then you're going to scroll all the way up again, go to game, League of Legends, right click again, properties, compatibility. Again, this deactivate full screen optimization has to be off or else again you might have a problem with it not starting. And the last place, of course, is our desktop shortcut here. So you want to press that, properties, compatibility, and then once again, deactivate full screen optimization. And after when you're doing this, you're going to go down here and you want to press restart your computer or else it won't work. That's really it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.